Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to convert text file to PDF file. Click File, Print. Select Microsoft Print to PDF. Turn on Print to File. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.